Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to be taking a look at how to intercept traffic in Burp Suite over localhost. Like if you are running an application on a local host, it won't intercept the request and responses that are being sent by that application. Like for example, in this I use Mozilla for my testing. So as you can see over here, I am using Burpsuite proxy to intercept all the requests. So now this is the transmission web interface. If I reload this page, it ha it should make a request to Burpsuite for to forward to the server, but you can see that there is no request that we are getting from the local host. That means the proxy is not working for the local host traffic. So this is a very common issue. So how you can fix is that uh, uh, it is due to the browser configuration that does not allow us to intercept any local host traffic. Like you can see over here in the network proxy configuration that connection to the local host are never proxied. So it is configured inside the browser setting that if if there is a proxy enabled in the browser, don't send the localhost traffic through the proxy. So what we can do about that is in Mozilla we need to go to about double colon and config, accept the risk and continue. Now over here you need to search for network.proxy, and over here you can see the top result, allow hijacking local host. So this means that uh, all the traffic that is being sent to the local host should not be hijacked, as it is set to false state. So if we change it to true, that means that if any request that is being sent to a local host application, it will be intercepted, it will be sent to a proxy. So now we have set it to true. Let's try to intercept the request again. So as you can see, it automatically is getting all the requests that are being sent to the local host which were previously not being intercepted, as you can see over here. So this is this is a simple solution how you can enable local host traffic interception in Burpsuite by changing the browser settings. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed